Here's Sarah. She just got a pregnancy app, and the smoke detector went off.
Burning my eyes.
But she's still very dedicated to her app. It says what about heartburn?
Could start this week, and I need to stay clear of soft cheeses. Because that it says it. Listeriosis is just one example of foodborne. It says be even more careful of the foods you eat. Listeriosis is just one example of foodborne illness that may make your baby susceptible to birth defects or cause you to miscarry. In order to prevent foodborne illness, be sure to stay clear of soft cheeses.
That sounds like they're trying to scare you, babe.
Unpasteurized foods, and raw and undercooked shellfish, meats, and eggs. So we better cook those hamburgers.
Oh, I overcooked them. That's why you're having to do this.
Oh, my arm hurts.
Maybe I should do that, huh?
Yeah.
You should get off that unstable chair.
Yeah.
This was a surprise pregnancy.
Soiled,
Shocker.
Soiled pet litter boxes may also contain traces of the rare parasitic disease. Thankfully, we don't have cats and never will.
Definitely. There's lots of reasons to be thankful.
What's happening to our baby? Our baby is the size of a sesame seed.
Ooh.
Baby looks more like a
That's me.
tadpole than a baby at this point. It is roughly 1/20th of an inch long.
Now, we should keep in mind that you are going to take a second test to be sure,
Yeah,
which you haven't done yet.
still haven't gotten a period, but yeah. Measured from the crown of the head to their bottom, also called rump. Really? Oh, really?
So you're going to get off that dangerous chair there, protect that uterus?
Yeah. This week your baby's heart is forming.
I knew it. I knew it.
And by the end of this week, it begins to beat at a steady rhythm.
Wow. Like the calendar week?
Yeah. Its skeleton begins to form, as do the structures that will become its eyes and ears. Also during this week, the placenta forms. The placenta is responsible
Okay.
for the transfer of nutrients
Yep.
and oxygen from your bloodstream to the fetus. It also allows the fetus to get rid of its own waste by
Okay.
transferring it back to your circulation. Why did not know that?
It's exporting its waste right into your blood.
It also continues to secrete the hormones progesterone and estrogen, which help keep your pregnancy steady.
It's good to know.
It's good to know.
Very good to know. What keeps my nerves and hormones steady? You do. You do, babe. Love you, cutie.
Love you.
Let's go eat now.
Okay. I think I'm actually at week 4. So we could read week 4.
Yeah, the app could be wrong on this one.